Now, the Narendra Modi government is bringing in sweeping reforms in education. The 10+2 in schools format will give way to an all-new structure. Students will also be allowed to take breaks during their graduation courses if they want. But the biggest reform is the entry also of foreign universities.
Ranchod Das Chanchar's famous words highlighting what is wrong with the Indian education system. The Narendra Modi government is taking a leaf out of Ranchod Das's book. After 34 years, the government is proposing sweeping reforms in the education sector. The National Education Policy 2020 covers both schools and colleges. Instead of the current 10+2 system of 5+3+3+4 structure starting from Anganwadi and ending with class 12 will be put in place. The focus is going to be on experiential learning. Students will be taught in the home language or mother tongue or local language till class 5 and preferably till class 8.
जो अपनी प्रारंभिक जो शिक्षा है उसकी मातृभाषा में होगी। जो 6वीं से जो वोकेशनल है, जो व्यावसायिक शिक्षा है, इसको हमने 6वीं से शुरू किया है और 6वीं से भी वो व्यावसायिक शिक्षा इंटर्नशिप के साथ किया है।
The college education will see many changes as well. 4-year graduation courses will be offered. Students will be free to take breaks and re-enter at any stage of the course and will get a certificate after completion of each stage. They will also get the freedom to opt for different combinations. The biggest highlight, foreign universities will be allowed to enter India. Academicians are divided over the education policy.
As Indian, each one of us, we can proudly say that this is my national education policy for the simple reason that all the stakeholders across the cross-section have been consulted, their inputs have been taken, and that feedback was considered, and then finally the national education policy has come. Therefore, it belongs to every Indian of this country.
But what is disappointing is nothing has changed from the draft. Although we have presented, though it was put up for educators to give our opinions and then view suggestions, we did share, but nothing has been included into it. It has just come back the same way how the draft was put up.
The National Education Policy proposes raising expenditure on education to 6.1% of the GDP from the current levels of just more than 1%. While the policy sets such high targets, it remains to be seen how much of it gets translated on the ground. For example, if a question paper asks for a definition of a machine, who will score more? Rancho.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.